Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I am going to show you how to make this wonderful face cream using tapioca seeds or sabudana and also known as cassava. It is a kind of a starch and it can be bought from any grocery stores. This is very good for your health, as you all know. It has various benefits, healthy benefits for your body. Similarly, it has various benefits for your skin. It removes acne and provides calming effect on the skin. It also smoothens and brightens your skin tone. So, if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So to make this cream, I'll be taking half a cup of tapioca seeds and I'm going to grind it into a fine powder using a mixer jar. After grinding, I'm taking a sieve or a filter like this and separate the coarse powder from the fine powder. You can use the fine powder to make this face cream. The powder should be very fine. If you find it a little bit coarse, again you need to grind it and take the fine powder out of it. You can use the coarse powder for face pack as a exfoliator, etc. There are various benefits of this too. Now for this video, I am taking fine powder of the tapioca starch and making the cream. So I have got 1 teaspoon of the powder. For this, I'll be adding other ingredients. You can also use dry rose petals while grinding the powder, tapioca seeds, while grinding tapioca seeds. Rose petals also has its own benefits for your skin. To mix this tapioca starch, I am using rose water and also I'll be using aloe vera gel as usual. You can use any aloe vera gel of your choice. I'm using this colorless aloe vera white gel. Then next comes the oil. You can use any face oil of your choice. I'm using this baby oil. This is the oil which suits my skin, so I'm using. I have got a lot of comments regarding this oil. So please, if you don't like this oil, please don't use it. I don't recommend it for people who don't like this. Use only your oil of your choice, like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. So to make this cream, I'm taking 1 teaspoon of this oil and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to mix it. First, while mixing this, you will find that the cream becomes a thick textured cream because the tapioca starch absorbs all the moisture of the aloe vera gel and also the oil. As you mix, it becomes thicker. So at this point, you need to add enough rose water to mix it. So I have added 3 tablespoons of rose water now. So once you add, keep on mixing. After mixing, you'll need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. This helps to preserve the face cream for a few days, like for a month or so. You can use this vitamin E capsule or if you have vitamin E oil, whichever you have, you can use it. If you don't use this, you need to keep this in the refrigerator for a month until you use it. Since these are all homemade creams, it will not remain good for more than a month. So you should always make in small quantities and use it. Because these creams don't have preservatives, it will work very well on your skin, and people with sensitive skin will really love this. This tapioca starch gives the calming effect on the skin, so this is very good for them. It is good for oily skin also. It will absorb the excess sebum on your skin. So once you mix everything, it becomes this thick cream like. You can add more rose water and make it into your consistency of your choice. So I have made the cream like this. If you have taken a very fine powder, you get a very fine paste. Since my powder is a little bit coarse, it is a little bit rough for me, but I have made it earlier and I have used it. So I'm going to use this. So you can transfer it into your clean jar and use it every night. Massage it onto your clean face, and in the morning you'll find your skin very smooth, soft and supple. It gives a very glowing look, brightens your skin tone and helps to reduce acne scars or pimples. So if you want to know more such DIYs, more such creams, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.